Tired of sending multiple photos one by one? Let's transform those scattered images into a single, organized PDF in just a few simple steps. First, head to your browser and search for a free online PDF merger. Like iLoveIt or Smolp, there are plenty of options available, so pick one that looks easy to use. Next, click the Select Photos or Upload Files button. This will allow you to choose the images you want to combine. Now, select all the photos you want to include in your PDF. You can usually select multiple images at once by holding down the Ctrl or Shift key on your keyboard while clicking. Once your images are uploaded, you can rearrange them into the order you prefer. Most tools let you drag and drop the images to get them just right. After you've arranged your photos, look for a Merge, Combine, or Create PDF button. Click it to start the merging process. The online tool will now process your images and create your combined PDF document. This may take a few seconds depending on the size and number of your photos. Finally, click the Download button to save your new PDF to your computer or device, and that's it. You've successfully merged multiple photos into one PDF. Now you can easily share your memories, documents, or projects with anyone in a single, convenient file. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.